Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a New Year's Eve look, or New Year's, whichever you prefer. And it's going to be inspired by my outfit that I'm wearing. I am wearing a black top, and it's got little bits of silver all over it, kind of like my pants. Here, I'll show you. As you can see, I'm just in love with it. So I want to do a makeup look inspired by my outfit. So we're going to do a black cut crease with silver on the lid and white separating the black and silver along with the full face. And I'm also going to throw in some creativity in there. Let's see what I can come up with. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. So first you need to start by priming your eyes. I use Master Conceal by Maybelline and by Face Studio. It says new on it. This shit ain't new. Anyways, I use the color Light, number 20. Get a firm eyeshadow brush. I don't know what brand this one is. And we're going to be using the James Charles palette. Starting with this black on our crease. Now you want to get a large fluffy eyeshadow brush and blend out that black into your brow bone. Okay, so now that I have my cut crease, I need to clean off my eyelid and where I'm going to be putting the silver glitter. But I'm going to be trying something different this time. I'm going to be using the NYX glitter primer instead of cleaning off my eye. We're going to see how this goes. This probably isn't the time to experiment, but where's the fun in that? I'm not fully confident that this is gonna work, so I'm gonna put the silver on and see what it looks like. I'd say it worked out, oddly enough. So now it's time to do this eye. Now it's time to add the glitter. Now it's time to add eyeliner. I'm using ELF black liquid eyeliner. Now time for white liner. I'm going to be using the NYX white liner. Now trace your cut crease to separate the black and the silver. Now it's time for the creative part. Now you can't tell yet, but I'm making a broken disco ball, and I'm using the ELF black eyeliner to make it look broken. Now I'm using the Duo eyelash adhesive so that my silver specks actually stay on my face. Say hello to the silver specks. Now I'm pretty much just dumping this on my face where I put the glue. And time to add more Duo eyelash adhesive to make more of the broken disco ball look. And this is the finished look. Black and silver cut crease with white eyeliner separating the cut crease and a broken disco ball. Happy New Year's.